Do you have a couple chicken breasts that you would love to use? Let's start with these 4 chicken breasts that are skinless and boneless. I'm going to cut these chicken breasts lengthwise around 3/4 of a way, and we want to start cutting on the thicker side of the chicken breast, just like that. Make sure you don't cut completely through. There might be some problems, but at the end of the day, as long as it's not completely cut through, we can deal with it. Then I'm going to get around 4 tablespoons of pesto, and I'm just going to spread the pesto on the inner side of the chicken breast. Make sure you don't get it all over the breast. We just want it inside the chicken breast. And I'm then going to get mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to just slice it up into around 8 slices, and I'm going to place my mozzarella cheese inside the chicken breasts. Sometimes I'm going to use 2 slices. If the chicken breast is smaller, 1 slice. Just use it accordingly, more or less, whatever you prefer. I'm then going to get 2 tomatoes, 2 large ones, and I'm going to just slice them up as thinly as I can, but not too thin. We want to then place 2 slices of tomato into each chicken breast, sometimes just 1 based on the size. These tomatoes are large. If your tomatoes are smaller, that's absolutely fine. They'll fit in better actually. I'm then going to get my toothpicks and pierce the chicken, 4 toothpicks, through the open side of the chicken to keep the filling from falling out when we're going to cook up these chicken breasts. So make sure you secure it quite well. Take your time to do it. I'm then going to sprinkle each chicken breast with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and then 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So as you can see, we have some good stuff going on. I'm gonna get out my frying pan, take out the skillet, whatever you have. We want to heat it up over medium-high heat, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot enough, I'm going to add in the chicken into the pan and let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. It's not gonna get too golden, just cook it a little bit. We want to flip it very carefully after 2 minutes, so that's gonna take quite a bit of effort. It's no easy deal, so use a spatula and your fingers to do it. Once I cook the chicken for 2 minutes on the other side, I'm actually gonna want to just place the chicken in a baking dish, just like that. My baking dish is quite small. You can use a larger one, but even if it's small, it's fine. The chicken breasts can touch each other. They will cook through, don't worry. The next step is quite simple. We want to get half a cup of balsamic vinegar and add it into a lovely bowl. I'm then going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use just regular white sugar as well. And I'm going to get 4 cloves of garlic, peel them up nicely, just like that. And then I'm going to get my garlic press and just press those garlic cloves into the bowl. We want to really scrub out all the garlic we can because we love garlic, we do. So then I'm going to mix all of these ingredients in the small bowl. We want to then pour the mixture all over the chicken. Trust me, this is an important step. It will give more flavor to your chicken breasts because otherwise they're quite bland. I'm going to place the baking dish in the oven and cook for 15 to 20 minutes at 375 Fahrenheit until the chicken is fully cooked. So just take your time. Don't overcook it because the chicken will dry out, and we want our chicken breast to be juicy and lovely. And once we're ready, we're going to remove the toothpicks from our mozzarella stuffed chicken breast. I'm going to serve it with a little bit of salad. You can serve it on its own. It doesn't matter. Just enjoy your chicken breast with whatever side you love. Cut through it, and that's it. This recipe is high in protein. It's so lovely. It's so delicious. For more recipes like that, please subscribe and like. Go to allnutritious.com and enjoy the food. Bye bye.